Following the principles of balance between athletic build and brutal character, between comfort and safety, combining complete technological superiority with elegance, the Genesis GV80 exudes style and confidence of true premium. Radiator grille, the Genesis corporate design symbolizes the pride of being a luxury brand. Wide silhouette, the Genesis GV80 combines the features of an SUV and the elegant features of a premium sedan. In his appearance, the features of athletic elegance and thoroughbred power are intertwined. A collision avoidance system with a car moving in the transverse direction when leaving the parking lot in reverse. This system monitors the areas on the sides of the car when reversing and warns the driver of any movement on both sides, as well as applies braking to avoid a possible collision. The headlamps of the quad lamps. A narrow line separates the upper and lower light elements of the headlights. This characteristic feature of the Genesis design adds athleticism to the front of the car. The system of active suppression of road noise. This system takes into account tire vibrations upon contact with the road, the noise level in the cabin, and generates counterphase sound waves through the car speakers, thereby minimizing noise and ensuring complete peace of mind. The driver's concentration support system. A camera and sensors built into the dashboard record the direction of the driver's gaze and activate a warning signal on the dashboard display if the driver looks away from the road. The intelligent cruise control, complemented by a machine learning system, recognizes and remembers a unique driving style and adapts the control of the vehicle according to it in the activated cruise control mode. GV80 security systems. The Genesis GV80 automatically analyzes current driving conditions and ensures maximum safety along with excellent driving quality with the help of an active driver assistance system. LED taillights. Fully LED combined taillights successfully frame the squat and wide silhouette of the high-tech crossover. The wheels are 22 inches in size. The stylish, premium design of the 22-inch wheels perfectly complements the proportional appearance of the sports crossover. The engine selection starts with a 2.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine with 304 horsepower and expands to a 3.5-liter twin turbocharged V6 engine with 380 horsepower.